fire that only summer brings. Walking through the sky, you didn't leave no trace. From the back of your mind to the smile on your face, everybody's running, but they don't know why. Only a dream thinks it doesn't have to die. Tonight we're gonna ride across the invisible line and travel the distance between your heart and mine. Tearing down the thunder, running through the night. Tearing down the thunder, looking for a sign. I saw you moving at the end of the pier. Your dress was waving in the summer breeze. Your eyes were bright and clear. Now there's a storm out on the horizon. The pressure's going down. It's hard to tell when you're talking to a ghost. There's just so many around. Now you're on the edge of the street, telling everybody you're the only one with the truth. Somewhere way across the other side, the veil is coming loose, shooting straight in the pregnant dark. Was it you who taught the sky how to rain? Telling lies with your fingertips, coming round again. Tearing down the thunder, running through the night. Tearing down the thunder, looking for a sign. I saw you in the shadow, talking to the night. I guess you had some secrets you could sell by your side. Walked the lonely street with torn up broken feet. He's following the past down to the sea. There's no light in the window anymore for him. There's no one on the shore but you and